間嚟到早上8點45分，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺上晝8點，熱帶風暴圖茲集結喺香港以南約130公里，即係喺北緯21.1度、東經114.1度附近。預料向西緩慢移動，橫過香港以南海域。圖茲開始減弱，並將會遠離本港。預料本地風力會逐漸緩和。天文台會喺上晝10點20分改發3號強風信號。本港今日間中有狂風驟雨，海有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊以及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，橫瀾島、大老山及長洲泳灘分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時72、63及62公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時82、92及75公里。有關最新天氣資訊，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及踏正嘅報導。
Time is now 8:45 in the morning. Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northeast, gale or storm signal is in force. This means that the winds, with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more, are expected from the northeast quarter. At 8 a.m., Tropical Storm Taraji was centered about 130 kilometers south of Hong Kong, which is near 21.1 degrees north, 114.1 degrees east. Anne is forecast to move west, slowly across the seas south of Hong Kong. Taraji begin to weaken and will depart from Hong Kong. Local winds are expected to moderate gradually. The observatory will issue the strong wind signal, number 3, at 10:20 in the morning. Locally, there will be occasional squally showers today. Seas are very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Waglan Island, Tate's Cairn and Chung Chau Beach were 72, 63 and 62 km per hour. With maximum gusts, which is exceeding 82, 92 and 75 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours of 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's the end of the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。